Hello, crypto millionaires family. It's Harry here, bringing you the hottest XRP updates, straight from today's headlines. Guys, things are heating up in the world of Ripple and XRP. Stick with me, because we're diving into the latest developments that could redefine XRP's future. Let's jump in. In breaking news, XRP has skyrocketed back above the $2 mark in a dramatic rally that has caught the attention of the entire crypto community. In just the past 24 hours, XRP has surged over 15%, hitting a high of $2.08. This comes after the token hit a low of $1.64 earlier this week due to escalated tensions in global markets, especially driven by the U.S. trade tariff chaos under President Trump. Despite these dips, XRP is making a remarkable comeback, signaling a return of momentum for this controversial yet widely adopted asset. So, what's fueling this sudden rally? First, the U.S. administration just made a pivotal announcement, easing tariffs for a 90-day period. Even though China remains excluded from this concession, this news triggered a wave of relief across global markets. Cryptocurrencies, including XRP, saw substantial gains as risk appetite returned. Of course, major players like Bitcoin also rallied, hitting 82,000. But XRP's percentage rise has outshined most competitors in the past day. Now let's pivot to the next big update. Regulatory clarity. Ripple's years-long legal battle with the SEC has officially ended, marking what CEO Brad Garlinghouse has declared as a resounding victory. The SEC has dropped its appeal to classify XRP as a security. This landmark decision not only clears up years of uncertainty, but also opens doors for meaningful institutional adoption. Analysts are already speculating the approval of XRP-based ETFs is just around the corner. Some forecast these ETFs could bring in billions of dollars in inflows, boosting XRP's liquidity and enhancing its mainstream appeal. With such progress on the regulatory front, the future of XRP has never looked brighter. But the big news doesn't stop there. Ripple is also making some strategic moves to dominate the financial services space. The company recently acquired Hidden Road, a leading prime broker in the digital asset sector. In a blockbuster $1.25 billion deal, this acquisition positions Ripple as the largest non-bank prime broker for digital assets, empowering it to offer services like stablecoin liquidity, cross-border settlements, and institutional custody. Essentially, Ripple is building the infrastructure for the next phase of crypto finance. This is a seismic move, folks, and one that could catapult XRP into a whole new league. Let's not forget the XRP ledger itself. This powerhouse blockchain is now making strides in real-world asset tokenization. Blockscale, a recently launched platform on the XRP ledger, is bringing tokenized real-world assets like real estate and commodities into the blockchain space. Institutional interest in asset tokenization is poised to reach trillions of dollars globally, and XRP is stepping in to seize this market head-on. Blockscale has already captured significant investor interest by surpassing its soft cap during its token seed sale. This is another example of the XRP ecosystem evolving beyond just payments. Now, how about some predictions? Analysts at Standard Chartered released new estimates predicting that XRP could climb up to $12.50 by 2028, with growth fueled by tokenization, adoption in cross-border transactions, and increasing demand for blockchain-enabled financial solutions. In nearer term, some even speculate XRP could hit $5 in the months ahead, driven by these continual breakthroughs. Before we wrap this up, here are some key numbers. As of now, XRP is trading around $2.03 with 12.4% gains in the past day. And despite the hype, XRP is still about 5% down over the past month. That said, whales and long-term investors are accumulating millions of XRP tokens, showing strong confidence in its future trajectory. All right, crypto millionaires, that's all for today's XRP update. XRP is primed for a transformative year with legal clarity, institutional interest, and groundbreaking innovations on the XRP ledger. What do you think about these developments? Are you holding XRP or are you waiting for the next dip to buy? If you enjoyed today's deep dive, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on those notifications so you never miss another update. Share this video to spread the XRP energy. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, keep chasing those crypto millions. See you in the next one.